Where do you want to go? You want to go upstairs? Do you want to take the elevator? Huh? You want to go inside? You're shy? Hello, say hello. Oh, it's going up. Look, going up and going down. You take the elevator up, you take the elevator down.
I thought you beat.
Okay na, keep walking na. You wanna go up? Yeah. Okay na. Oh my goodness.
People
Okay.
come out, then you go inside.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, he wants to go. Number 2, baby. Thank you.
But why you bring that thing out?
Yeah, he likes that. He wants to carry that. Chill. Okay. Then you have to go out, okay? Go out very quick. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. It's okay. Okay, where you want to go?